We begin tonight with a whole new controversy over money in the counties. Earlier in the day, boda operators in Machakos disrupted traffic for hours, protesting against a new levy introduced by the county.
Now, the riots came as it emerged that mothers delivering at Nairobi's most famous maternity hospital would have to pay more starting now.
Yes, KTN's Edith Kimani now reports on the taxing times that have spread to Kiambu and Nakuru counties.
For an entire afternoon, these boda operators in Athi River commandeered a section of the Nairobi-Mombasa highway. Reason? Money. The Machakos County government has increased boda operation license fee from 400 shillings to 1,250 shillings a year as part of the county's finance bill. And the operators are not happy.
Wanatuambia tunatoa shilingi 1,250 ya sijui registration ama hata wadoelezee ni nini, na hata wawape muda ambao wakawalishe chini wawaambie hii pesa iko hivi na hivi na hivi na hivi, ndio watu waelewe. Wao wanakuja wanaweka vitu, wana implement vitu yao na waambie wananchi ambao wanatoa pesa unasisi tunaumia.
Machakos Senator Johnston Muthama had to be called in to calm the flaring tempers and help ease traffic on the road, which at some point had reportedly stretched kilometers deep to Sultan Hamud. But it will take more than a few words to calm these Nairobi market traders. This is the second time in 5 days they're holding demonstrations of increased taxes in Nairobi County. Last week Wednesday, the traders marched to the Deputy President's office demanding answers. And less than a week later, the traders proved resilient, making the same demands.
Kwa sababu hiyo pesa yote, hiyo ni kama profit yote tunapeana. Unaona? No, we earn nothing. We just tunarudisha pesa ya kazi, tunanunua, ni kama yani profit yote inaenda kwa hiyo mzigo yote.
These counties have seen an increase in levies, which are proving a tough sell for the county governments. Members of the county assemblies are now walking a tightrope, with some counties opting for partial implementation of their finance bills as they iron out contentious issues. For the traders in Nairobi, their options are limited, with the finance bill already fully implemented. Their best option now, according to observers, is legal recourse or compliance. Governors have, however, argued that drafting of the bills was open to public participation, where those demonstrating now should have aired their concerns. But the traders see things differently. The demonstrations could not have come at a worse time for county governments, which, according to the Controller of Budget, are not collecting enough revenue to sustain their governments. But traders, businessmen, and these boda operators want to hear none of it, and they won't keep quiet about it either. Edith Kimani, KTN.